Utility trucks were once only recognized for their unadulterated power. They depended on noisy engines and an infinite supply of fuel to do their tasks, whether they were working on farms, building sites, industries, or difficult routes. However, that is rapidly changing. A new breed of electric utility vehicles is demonstrating that amazing performance can be achieved without a screaming engine. These devices are revolutionizing the future of work globally with their quick torque, reduced maintenance, and state-of-the-art technology. I discovered 10 cutting-edge electric utility cars that are more intelligent, resilient, and competent than before in today's video. You will be genuinely surprised by some of these innovations. The Club Car Carryall 500 Electric serves as a dependable backbone for any worksite, quietly getting the job done with smooth, zero-emission performance. It is a highly reliable partner for transporting tools across campuses, maintaining resorts, or supporting heavy industrial operations every day. Built for serious work, the utility vehicle features a rust-proof aircraft-grade aluminum frame, a spacious 800-pound capacity cargo bed, and a robust 1,200-pound towing capacity. Equipped with responsive electric power, exceptional maneuverability, and an available maintenance-free lithium battery option, the Carryall 500 Electric keeps every commercial operation moving forward efficiently. The John Deere Gator XUV 865M feels entirely prepared for rigorous work the moment it rolls onto rough, uneven ground. Its dependable diesel engine delivers steady torque, while standard four-wheel drive and power steering make muddy trails and steep hills surprisingly easy to navigate. An independent suspension system smooths out every bump along the way, paired with a large cargo bed built to handle heavy loads. Whether managing a long day on the farm or tackling demanding jobs around a property, the XUV 865M earns trust through sheer durability. This machine focuses less on high top speeds and more on confidence, structural resilience, and getting every job done right. The Vanderhall Brawley GTS looks like an off-road machine built for the future rather than today's standard trails. It quietly glides over rocks and rough terrain, proving that electric power can deliver an incredibly thrilling driving experience. Its advanced quad-motor all-wheel drive system generates up to 404 horsepower, while specialized features like e-crab, e-crawl, and e-steer make challenging technical obstacles feel surprisingly manageable. Complete with a climate-controlled cabin, heated seats, and an impressive driving range of up to 140 miles, this vehicle ensures that every off-road adventure is both exciting and remarkably comfortable. The Polaris Ranger XP 1000 North Star Edition Ultimate may function as a hard-working utility vehicle, but step inside and it feels like a premium off-road cabin. The factory-installed climate-controlled cab, heated seats, ride command touchscreen, JBL audio, and power windows make long workdays surprisingly comfortable. Its 82-horsepower engine, selectable all-wheel drive, and 2,500-pound towing capacity handle demanding jobs with confidence, while the smooth suspension keeps every ride enjoyable. It is the kind of machine that works hard all day, then makes you want to keep exploring long after the job is finished. The Alkay ATX 330e introduces an exceptionally quiet work experience, replacing loud engine noise with smooth, localized, emission-free performance. Purpose-built to handle the rigors of heavy industrial operations, large agricultural estates, and demanding off-road tasks, this heavy-duty electric utility vehicle successfully balances sustainability with raw industrial power. It boasts a reinforced chassis engineered to securely haul payloads up to 1,220 kilograms and pull a substantial towing capacity of up to 3,000 kilograms on private property. Equipped to conquer steep inclines with a high-torque drivetrain capable of scaling gradients as sharp as 35%, its adaptable cargo configurations and zero-emission mechanics make it a practical, high-performance solution for modern operations. The Vulcan Stag completely redefines standard expectations for electric utility vehicles the moment it hits the trail. Instead of traditional engine noise, the vehicle delivers instantaneous electric torque that launches it over rugged terrain with absolute confidence. Powered by a highly responsive 107 kilowatt electric motor, it generates 107 horsepower and 265 pound-feet of torque, allowing it to reach maximum speeds of up to 80 miles per hour while maintaining an operational range of over 100 miles. Featuring an active on-demand four-wheel drive system and comfortable seating for up to 4 passengers, it balances adventure with heavy-duty performance. The vehicle is built to work hard and explore farther, offering a robust 2,000-pound towing capacity alongside a 1,550-pound payload limit to make every off-road journey unforgettable. The Segway Fugleman UT110 Crew is engineered to handle demanding group workloads over rugged terrain. It is powered by a 1,000cc twin-cylinder engine generating 105 horsepower, with a spacious cabin that seats up to 6 passengers comfortably. Featuring selectable 2WD, 4WD, front and rear differential locks, a 680-kilogram payload capacity, and 1,134-kilogram towing capability, it tackles heavy tasks with ease. A durable tilting cargo bed, smart connectivity, and a premium touchscreen dashboard add a modern, highly productive touch to every journey. The Yamaha Wolverine X4 1000 is built to bring everyone along for the ride on shared outdoor adventures. Driven by a powerful 999cc parallel twin engine, a responsive Ultramatic CVT transmission, and an on-command four-wheel drive system, it confidently tackles rocky trails, muddy paths, and steep climbs. The roomy 4-seat cabin ensures passenger comfort, while premium suspension and electric power steering smooth out the roughest terrain. Complete with versatile cargo space and dependable towing capability, this utility vehicle is equally prepared for hard work and unforgettable weekend trail rides.
The Honda Pioneer 1006 Deluxe Crew shines by letting the whole team ride together to make any great job easier. Featuring comfortable seating for 6, it transforms long workdays into smooth journeys across farms, trails, and construction sites. Under the hood, a reliable 999cc twin-cylinder engine pairs with an exclusive 6-speed dual-clutch transmission to deliver confident power across any terrain. Equipped with a 1,000-pound tilting cargo bed, a 2,500-pound towing capacity, selectable 2WD, 4WD, and electric power steering, it is equally capable of hauling heavy loads or exploring the outdoors. The Landmaster Amp proves that a utility vehicle doesn't need to be loud to make a big impression, showcasing powerful performance through quiet confidence. Built on a rugged chassis and driven by a high-torque electric motor, it glides across farms, job sites, and wooded trails with ease. It offers up to 50 miles of range, a top speed of 30 miles per hour, a 1,500-pound towing capacity, and up to a 600-pound cargo capacity on most configurations to tackle demanding tasks. Complete with available 4WD, a rear locking differential, and smooth suspension, the Amp turns every workday into a cleaner, quieter, and more efficient experience.